everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
तो ये है दुष्टुकांत. This is one little baby. I am Priyamada Kant. I hope you guys know who I am. I am Sharda from Tenali Rama. And this is my little puppy who's getting super restless because he's not so camera friendly like me. So I'm super close to Dushtu. He's literally like my son. I mean, pets, I think whoever has pets sort of agrees that they're like their kids. So yeah, like taking care of him is actually taking care of a baby. So you just have to like run around him a little bit, and when he was a puppy I had to literally feed him with my hands, and so he was like this tiny when he'd come, yeah. So I've actually taken care of him like how a mother would take care of a baby. So yeah, I'm obviously very attached to him and super close. A lot of Shih Tzus have their tongue out, okay? And if you see my little Dushturi, he always has his tongue stuck out like that. So even when he's sleeping, eating, chilling with his eyes shut, or even when he's angry, he'll just be like like that. So it's just super duper cute because his tongue is always out. Can you guys see? I'll show you. Show them how your tongue is out. Show them. Yeah. So I think it's super cute. Yeah. When he was a little puppy, we had to feed him the food that comes in the packet, which has like your meat and like regular things with a lot of nutrition, and he was on a lot of medication also. Like we used to give him calcium and then vitamins and all of that. But now he's a year old, so he can eat normal food. So he has dal chawal, he has chicken and roti, and like we mix little dog food with it. And yeah, he so थोड़े नखरेबाज है, खाना थोड़ा टाइम पे नहीं खाता है कभी कभी, तो हम खाना हटा लेते हैं और फिर देते हैं. तो usually I feed him 4 times a day, but sometimes he doesn't eat, so I have to give it back to him in like half an hour. कभी कभी तो चम्मच से भी खिलाना पड़ता है जैसे बच्चों को खिलाते हैं. So I literally hold his mouth and feed him with like a spoon, which I shouldn't do actually because they get spoiled, but I do that sometimes. Dogs is a man's best friend, and it is so true because the kind of unconditional love dogs can give you, I don't think humans are capable of giving anybody ever. So whenever I'm upset or I'm feeling low or I'm a little restless, they just sense it. Like Dushtu sort of senses that I'm feeling low and I'm not feeling really up to it, so he'll come and he'll lick my face and just like sit and like want to cuddle with me, and instantly like my mood sort of gets better, because obviously who doesn't like love and attention, and he is always there to give it to me, so it's absolutely adorable. Dushtu, since he's a Shih Tzu, and Shih Tzus are very carefree. Like when they want love, like they'll come and they'll give you love and attention, and when they are not really in the mood, so no matter how much you want to cuddle with them and all, they'll keep like throwing you off and like run away. So Dushtu sometimes tends to do that. Like he'll just not want the attention, and then you have to like literally trick him and give him like treats and all, then he'll come like wagging his tail. So sometimes I do feel that I wish he was like a Labrador, just like there, like getting all the love and attention. So sometimes he does that, which is a little annoying, but obviously they're humans, like they're just like humans, right? Like they'll come to you when they need love. If they don't need it, why would they come? You can't force them to you can't just keep petting them because you feel like petting them, so it's absolutely fine. I remember the first time like when I'd gone to get him, and he was like this small with like the other dogs, and I picked him up, and like I don't know, like the way he just fell asleep in my palms, like he was literally this small. I can never get that picture out of my head. I think it was really nice and very special, and it's the best memory I have. Dushtu means naughty in Bengali. And I think went over some 2,000 names. I was sitting with a group of friends and we all kept throwing names at each other, and the regular names came up, and since he's tiny, like people were like, oh, Muffin, Toffee, Jackie, and the regular names that everyone shows. And I wanted something like really short and cute, which has meaning. Like my name, Priyambada, is also a very uncommon name, and my parents put in a lot of thought before they got it. But I always think that my parents say this, ki naam, you know, the way you name a person turns out to be that. So I didn't think much before naming him Dushtu. Like it just sounded nice. But he's actually turned out to be so naughty that I really think whatever you name your kids, they turn out like that. They have a lot of teeth, so I think 42. I think they can see colors. They can see a lot of colors. I mean, all of the way we can, but they see them differently. But black and white to me, I think they can see all the colors. Stay. He doesn't respond. Stay. Sit. You respond to sit. Nose. They can smell like super. Dog can sniff. Yeah, sniffer dogs. That's why. So they're all small, but Chihuahuas are the smallest. They look like rats. They're like this. Labradors so have pink tongues. Huskies have like blue eyes. So yeah, Chow Chows, I think they look like monkeys or something. So I got him this McDonald's ka fries. Like it has this McDonald's thing and uske andar fries. That was his favorite toy because I love fries, so I got him that. Since I've got Dushtu, I've realized that I'm not alone and I have this amazing bond with him, and it's just beautiful. Like having a dog is just like the most beautiful gift of God. Like, and go get yourselves, like adopt if you can.